What's up, guys? I have a bike check going on right now. So what we're going to do is start off with the grips. I got the Colt Alex Kennedy grips. Been riding them for like 3 months now. If you could tell, they suck. JK, sponsor me. I got Fit Benny L bars. Love them, always rode them. Stranger Haze stem oil slick. And what we got going on with the forks here? You got Animal headset with Sunday Octave forks. And my wheels, I have Profile in the front, the G-Sport rim. I have a 10. I got Colt tires. Got them going in yellow. Fiend JJ Palmier frame. No. In the middle we got, let's see, BSD Safari pedals. Love them. Never had a problem. The pins on them always stay on, so you should go buy some. Got BSD cranks. Love them. Did some crank arms, messed up on them, and haven't made a dent yet. Sunday sprocket guard. I don't even know what it's called really. Sunday sprocket guard. Got Colt half-link chain. Positive. Yeah, some faggot of a friend of mine gave it to me. Hashtag Ryan Kessler. I know you're gonna be watching this.
What we got for a seat?
For a seat, we got BSD beverage.
Let's tell them about your seat post.
Oh yeah, so about my seat post. It was chipping. It was red originally. Then it started chipping, and so I sprayed it black. Then that started chipping, so I just spray painted it. Fucked up the colors. Green, pink. Starting with the back. Primo free coaster, right hand drive. Love it, honestly. Hasn't broken. I mean, of course I suck. I'm just joking. Follow me on Instagram. Let's see. Daily grind, hub guard, drive side. Primo, hub guard, in the back, non-drive side. Colt pegs, 4 peg. Love it. Let's see. So yeah.
I think that's it.
Bike check. I'll do some clips for you. You want me to do some right now?
Yeah, let's see a little clip.
Alright, what do you want to see?
Let's see a 180, fakie, half cab manual 180.
Okay. I'm not sure if I'll get first try, but I might have to edit this.
Stay over here. Alright, let's see something else so you know you can land first try.
Next up, ride 180.
Do a hang 5. Alright guys, guess that was his bike check.
Edit this.
That was his bike check. Got a couple clips in. Clearly he sucks.
Edit this.
Yeah, we'll do a little bit of editing. But you got any words for the people?
Yeah. Down in the link below. Follow me on Instagram. _angel_bikes_. Got some dope clips on there. Follow me on Twitter. AZRiderAngel. And yeah.